Hello and welcome to Perceptional Hypnosis Chats with Roberta Brunin from Grand Prairie, Alberta. Roberta does online and in-person hypnotherapy. So welcome, Roberta. I'm so happy you're here today.
Thank you, Becky. It's exciting to be here too. You betcha.
So all the way from Grand Prairie, I know that's not really that far, but it might be for some people. What's it like there today?
Oh my goodness, it's chilly. It's not warmed up that much. We had a couple of days of 17, but today is chilly, cool wind, almost winter coat weather.
Oh my goodness. So we're a little spoiled for examiner.
Yep. You are.
So Roberta's been doing hypnotherapy for over 23 years. She is, oh gosh, I'm forgetting the name of it. She has, is it Stop Smoking 101?
Yes, Stop Smoking 101.
So
Written books.
wonderful. And Roberta has the program coming out, Stop Smoking 101, on August the 24th and the 25th. So you'll have to check that out, and we'll have more information below. So Roberta, what brought you to becoming a hypnotherapist?
Oh, when I took an introduction to hypnotherapy years ago, 2001. Oh, I just realized how important words were. And I thought I was wrecking my children's lives by the way I was talking to them. And that introduction to hypnosis actually changed the way I spoke to my children. And it was so helpful. Yeah, honestly, it changed my life that one weekend of hypnosis.
Wow, that's amazing. So yeah,
Yeah.
interesting that you came from words to deciding to do hypnosis. Was there something in an advertisement, or is there something that really stood out to bring you into hypnosis from that?
I think I was, honestly, I think I was at my wit's end. I was raising three kids by myself. One of them had some, well, a couple of them they were abandoned basically by their parents, right? So, taking on that, trying to figure out how to run my life smoothly with all these different parts to it. Yeah, I needed hypnosis, and that I don't know what it was in the advertising, but yeah, I went, and I'm so blessed that I took it that weekend and then continued to take it
Wow,
because yeah, really affected my life.
it's amazing. And that's the fun thing about hypnosis. We learn so much about communication and words and meanings around words and all that fun stuff for sure. Yeah.
Yeah, very important to know what we're speaking to and what we're saying to ourselves and what we say to others. And that was it. I realized what I was saying to other people, and I didn't want to talk to anybody like that anymore.
Yeah, it makes total sense. Wow, that's really neat. So can you share an aha moment that you've had with your clients for the audience?
The biggest aha was I was working with a gentleman to stop smoking, and when he came for his second appointment, he walked in and he said, "You saved my life." And I, okay, what did I do? What's going on? And then he explained to me he actually didn't stop smoking. He quit some heavy duty drugs that he was doing at the time. And yeah, and he attributed the session with, saving his life. And it was a real honor. Like, whoever tells you that, right? Yeah.
That is, wow, that is amazing. Stop smoking and then to turn around and whew, just allow,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, it was. It was a huge thing. And that, really helped solidify, this is the work I want to do. And this is how it does impact people's lives. It made such a huge difference in that person's life. If your life has been saved because you stopped a drug that you no longer need in your life or want in your life, that's huge. That's life changing.
That is life changing. And I know quite often a client will come for some reason and it will develop into like huge changes in many different elements of their lives. So that's a really good example of that. Come in to stop smoking and boom, having wow, such a huge change for that person. So do you keep in touch with them?
Actually, he still refers clients to me, like just the other day. And so that's like, it's probably been 10 years since he's actually been in my office, but he's still referring clients because I just got one the other day, and that's what's the referral was from him. So it's, that's an impact, right? If somebody's still referring you over 10 years later, you've made a huge difference in somebody's life. And that's what I want to do. I want to change lives for the better and help people figure stuff out.
That's amazing. Yeah, I love that. So would you have any practical advice for us today? What would be something that you could share with us from your experiences of doing hypnosis and receiving it? And what could be a practical, some advice or a tip and trick that you can share?
I would say it's be aware of what you're telling yourself. So your cells, you are the authority in your life, and your body physically, I don't know how it all works, but your body is listening to you, your cells are listening to you. And so your self-talk is really, really important. Man, pay attention to what you're saying to yourself, for sure. And, come from a state of happiness and joy, and work at making your words positive and consistent with everything that's healthy and fun and joyful in your life. Well, I think, yeah.
Yeah, and you always have the most beautiful words at the end of your hypnotherapy sessions. I've been part of your process before, and you've worked with me with hypnosis. So you always put that last little piece in about sharing and understanding yourself intuitively, which is great.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I'm trying to think of how you word that, but it's brilliant.
So is that the one where there's something that you want and your body, yeah, okay, there's something you want in your life, and all the necessary changes are gently and comfortably being made within you and surrounding you here now. So physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and more, in every area, level, and dimension of your being, all of the necessary changes are being made right now so that you can have what you want, or something better now manifest itself in your life. I love that because it just flows into every cell and between the cells, and yeah, makes you happy.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking of, but I couldn't think of how you worded that, of course. Beautiful. So what sets your approach of hypnotherapy aside from other people's processes?
Okay, you always ask these tough ones, right? Okay, I feel that it's all about updating education. The more we enhance the quality of what we are doing, the more we can assist people in enhancing the quality of their lives and improving the quality of their lives. And I think staying up to date on the information, that's why I went to your school too, is because I wanted to know, what's new and what this person, how they're doing hypnosis, because there's always something new to learn, always. And if we keep updated and abreast of what's going on in the world with our career choice, which is hypnosis and hypnotherapy, then we're going to rock it, right? We're going to make it happen for others.
Yeah, exactly. And then the opportunity to apply all of the new learnings into your personal sessions, like that's amazing. Such a gift to yourself.
Definitely. Yeah. It's and it's fun to learn, right? New exciting people and great relationships happen from doing that sort of thing. So yeah, it's all amazing.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I had the honor of having Roberta come and take my program a couple years ago, and she's an amazing hypnotherapist. I would recommend her to anybody. And she's going to be teaching the Stop Smoking 101 on the 24th of August as well, the 24th, 25th, I think, the weekend, right?
You bet. Yeah, it's going to be fun.
Yeah, so I can't wait to take that course as well and have a little more education around the stop smoking. That's not something I do a lot of with clients, so I'm very excited for that.
Mhm. Awesome.
Perfect. Is there anything else you want to share with us today?
No, I think I'm good. Are you good?
We're all we're hypnotherapists.
Yeah, that's great. We've got it made.
So if you want to book some sessions with Roberta and or check out what she's doing with the stop smoking and all of her other stuff that she has coming out in the future, you can check out the link below, or actually in the information below. All of her stuff will be there for you. And thank you so much for coming and spending some time with us today, Roberta. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Becky. I really appreciate this too. It's fun and I love speaking with you.
Awesome. Thank you. Okay, we'll take care and we'll talk again soon.
Okay. Bye.